Now we are going to discuss about one of the main system in the pressurized water reactor, that is main feed water system. What is main feed water system and what is the role of main feed water system in the reactor? The main feed water system is a critical system in the pressurized water reactor. The main function of the main feed water system is supplies water to the steam generator to maintain efficient steam generation. If there is any happen in the steam feed water supply, it will affect the overall activity in the nuclear power plant, especially in the production of electricity, because if the steam is low, it will affect the overall production. What are the components of main feed water system? The first one is main feed water pump. The main use of feed water pump is transport the feed water from the deaerated storage tank to the steam generator. The second one is feed water heaters. The extracted steam to the turbine, it heats the feed water before it reaches to the steam generator, because it is helping to heat the feed water before reaching the steam generator. The third one is deaerator. Deaerator is having a very important role because the extracted steam it removes all the dissolved gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide to prevent the corrosion. If there is any gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, it will affect the main feed water pump corrosions. The next one is feed water control valves. The feed water control valves is regulating the flow to maintain the correct level in the steam generator. Okay. Then the process, how steam water main feed water system is working. The first point is the steam leaving the turbine is condensed in the condenser. This condensate is pumped to deaerator to remove the gases and stored. The main feed water pumps move the water through the feed water heaters to increase its temperature. This heated feed water is fed into the steam generator where it absorbs the heat reactor coolant. Now steam generation is happen. The feed water turns into steam and it drives the turbine and produce electricity. Now we can consider a scenario. If there is any malfunction happens in the main feed water system, then what will happen and how we can rectify this. If there is any malfunction happens in the main feed water system, it leads a serious consequences in the pressurized water reactor in the nuclear power plant. Potentially it is affecting the reactor cooling, steam generation and overall plant safety. If the safety system also fails, the situation can escalate to a reactor trip or in extreme cases or a severe accident. Now we can consider a malfunction. If the main feed water pump failure, then what will happen? If there is any mechanical failure or electrical issues, the steam supply loss, its effects produce no feed water flow to the steam generator. If the feed water is not flowing to the steam generator, then steam will not produce and it is affecting the overall activity in the power plant. Then what will be the consequence? It decreases the steam generator water level, leading to a potential loss of heat sink in the reactor. If the main feed water system fails, there are several other systems to mitigate these consequences. One of the main system is emergency feed water system, or we can call it auxiliary feed water system. This emergency feed water system, it automatically starts if any water level drops in the steam generator below a set point, because there will be a set point for a water level. If the water level is below the set point, it automatically starts. It uses independent pumps to supply backup feed water. It also prevents the overheating of the reactor coolant system. The next system is the reactor protection system, that means RPS. RPS detects a low steam generator water level, because if the water level is low, then it detects and automatically to the reactor and prevent overheating. It also shuts the control rods into the core to stop fission and to reduce the heat generation. So these are the things about main feed water system. We studied about what is the feed water system, what is the functions, the components, and if there is any happens in the if there is any malfunction happens in the feed water system, then what will happen, how we can mitigate. These are the things now we learned. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.